Hello, have you ever needed a quiet moment but also wanted to create something beautiful? In today's video I will show you how layering translucent papers can be both meaningful and deeply healing. This is video 5 of our Painting with Paper mini-series.
Before we begin, let's talk about the right adhesive to use for this technique. You'll need any fluid acrylic medium. Some of these glues might need to be diluted with a little bit of water to work better with the delicate papers we will use. Do not use more than 1 part of water to 3 parts of glue. If you're on a budget, you can use PVA glue. PVA glue vary between different brands and most are not light fast, so it might not be suitable if you eventually want to sell your work. Mod Podge is popular among crafters. It's not light fast, it turns yellow over time and can stay sticky to the touch. It's also more expensive than some of the other mediums. If you already have some, feel free to try it. There are several fluid acrylic mediums that are both professional and work great with transparent and translucent papers. Here's a quick guide. Matte medium is not my top pick. It dulls the transparency. It's almost as if it leaves a cloudy layer. Pouring medium varies by brand, but most work beautifully. It might be too glossy though. Gloss medium is great for transparency, but very glossy and shiny. A layer of matte medium or matte varnish over the finer layer can tone it down. Glazing medium, satin or gloss seems to be the perfect adhesive for many artists. The satin version has the perfect balance between transparency and shine. Golden satin glazing medium is a favorite among many artists used for this technique. 100% acrylic polymer resin like Global Paint's binder and sealer medium is another professional medium with adhesive properties. It's not as thin as glazing medium and not as glossy as gloss medium, but it also do not give the cloudy effect of matte medium. Now grab your background from last week as well as your painted paper stash. Before you can start, you need to choose papers from your prepared stack in the colors you plan to use. Let your painted background lead you in choosing your papers. Do not overthink it. Start tearing your papers. Soft, organic edges work best. The pieces should vary in size and shape. You can tear everything now or piece by piece as you work. You can use a paint shaper, a dedicated soft brush, or even your fingers to apply glue. Start with larger pieces for the base layer. You can also add opaque papers, for example torn book pages, to this layer. Use thin layers of glue. Apply 1 layer under the paper and 1 on top. To make certain papers like medical exam papers more transparent, you can try wetting the paper with water using a misting spray bottle before adding glue. Other papers might disintegrate when applying glue when they wet. The best is to experiment for yourself. Try to smooth out any bubbles, but don't worry about creases or perfection. These are not mistakes. They create texture and interest in your painting. No need to plan the composition yet. This is all about being intuitive and letting go of perfection. Do not overthink things. Just enjoy the process. Continue adding more layers in the same way. Remember, this is time for yourself. See it as a process of self-healing. Time to clear your mind. If you want to, you can listen to relaxing background music or your favorite podcast to put you in the right mindset. At some point, your collage might look messy. You might even feel like giving up. That's normal. This is what is called the messy middle. Art doesn't need to be perfect to be meaningful. If it helps, step away. Come back later. Let it sit where you can see it. More often than not, all you need is a few more layers. Usually, something in your painting will show you how to move forward. Once you pass the messy stage, you can start to think about composition. You don't need to finish your painting today. Work gently. Do only as much as your body and your energy allow. If you feel stuck, put your work away and continue tomorrow. Whether you add 3 pieces or 3 layers at a time, that's enough. Let this be a slow and healing process. And remember, you showed up today. That's all that matters. Be proud of that.
If this video resonated with you, I would love to hear from you in the comments.
Post your painting on social media using #HealingLayers. Next time we'll explore how to finish your painting without overworking it.
Until then, keep creating gently. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.